Once again, welcome back, Standard 10th. We are now dealing with Chapter 10, and I'm showing slides based on types of vegetation in India, and different types of vegetation are found. Please go through for better understanding with broad point of view. You will be observing, and at the same time you have read the chapter. So you will get more knowledge if you will go through and you will understand on the basis of slides.
Types of vegetation in India. Tropical deciduous forests. In this module, you will learn about the main characteristics of tropical deciduous forests of India.
So see carefully.
Tropical deciduous forests are found in areas having distinct dry and rainy seasons. Here, trees do not grow close together as in the case of tropical evergreen forests. The word deciduous has the meaning falling off at maturity. Deciduous forest is named after this property of its trees. The trees of tropical deciduous forest shed their leaves in the dry season. They shed their leaves for a period of 6 to 8 weeks in summer. Most of the forests in India come under the category of tropical deciduous forests. They are also called the monsoon forests and are spread over the regions receiving rainfall between 70 centimeters and 200 centimeters. On the basis of the availability of water, tropical deciduous forests are divided into tropical moist deciduous forests and tropical dry deciduous forests. Forests which grow in regions receiving 100 cm to 200 cm annual rainfall are known as tropical moist deciduous forests. In our country, forests of eastern states, foothills of Himalayas, Jharkhand, West Orissa, Chhattisgarh, and the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats fall under moist deciduous category. Teak and sandalwood are the two important trees of tropical moist deciduous forests. Bamboos, sal, shisham, kher, kusum, arjun, mulberry are the other commercially important species. From the name itself, it is quite obvious that dry deciduous forests grow in regions with less rainfall. Deciduous forests which grow in regions receiving 70 cm to 100 cm of annual rainfall is better known as dry deciduous forest. Forests of plains of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, parts of Peninsular Plateau are of dry deciduous category. You must have enjoyed the cool shades of neem trees and peepal trees near your houses or in your schools. Neem and peepal are trees of dry deciduous forest. Similarly, teak and sal also grow in dry deciduous forest. In India, dry deciduous forests have been depleted considerably due to human interventions. A large part of these forests have been cleared for raising crops and for grazing. Animals found in deciduous forests include lion, tiger, pig, deer, and elephant. Besides this, a huge variety of birds, lizards, snakes, and tortoises also add to the animal population of tropical dry deciduous forests. In this module, you have learned the following. Tropical deciduous forests are found in areas having distinct dry and rainy seasons. The trees of tropical deciduous forests shed their leaves in the dry season. Forests which grow in regions receiving 100 cm to 200 cm annual rainfall is known as tropical moist deciduous forest. Deciduous forests which grow in regions receiving 70 cm to 100 cm of annual rainfall is better known as dry deciduous forest. Animals found in deciduous forests include lion, tiger, pig, deer, and elephant. A huge variety of birds, lizards, snakes and tortoises also add to the animal population of tropical dry deciduous forests.
So this much for this deciduous forest. Now let us see new type. Now we have tropical evergreen forest. Go through for main characteristics of tropical evergreen forest.
Tropical evergreen forest. In this module, you will learn about the main characteristics of tropical evergreen forests of India. In the tropical regions of India, there is heavy rainfall and persistent high temperature. These weather conditions are conducive for the luxuriant growth of vegetation, leading to formation of dense forests. These dense forests in the tropical region are called tropical evergreen forests. Tropical evergreen forests flourish in regions receiving more than 200 cm of annual rainfall with a short dry season. In India, these type of forests are found in Western Ghats, in the states of Tamil Nadu, Orissa, West Bengal and in some northeastern states. These forests are also found in the island groups of Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar. Since there is no particular dry season in this climatic zone, there is no particular season for these trees to shed their leaves. Thus, these forests remain evergreen. Due to adequate water supply and warmth, a variety of plants grow in these dense tropical evergreen forests, creating multi-layers of vegetation. Shrubs and creepers mask a layer close to the ground. This is called shrub layer. The short-structured young trees create the next layer called canopy layer, and the tall trees, which grow up to 60 meters, form the top layer or the emergent layer. Here are the names of some important trees that grow in tropical evergreen forests. Ebony, mahogany, and rosewood are some of the major trees that yield timber, while rubber and cinchona are economically important trees that grow in these forests. Bamboos, jackfruit trees, palms, and orchids add to the variety of vegetation in tropical evergreen forests. Depending upon climate and vegetation, the animal species that live in the tropical evergreen forest also vary. Elephant, monkey, lemur, and deer are the common animals that inhabit the forest. Forests of Assam and West Bengal form the natural habitat of one-horned rhinoceros. Similarly, a variety of birds, bats, scorpions, and snails are also found in these jungles. In this module, you have learned the following. Tropical evergreen forests develop in regions receiving more than 200 centimeters annual rainfall. In India, tropical evergreen forests are found in Western Ghats, in the states of Tamil Nadu, Orissa, West Bengal and in some northeastern states. These forests are also found in the island groups of Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar. Evergreen forests create multi-layers of vegetation. Shrubs and creepers mask a layer close to the ground, the short-structured trees create the next layer, and tall trees, which grow up to 60 meters, form the top layer. Some important trees that grow in tropical evergreen forests are ebony, mahogany, and rosewood. Some common animals found in the tropical evergreen forest are elephant, monkey, lemur, deer, and one-horned rhinoceros.
So you have understood these two different categories of evergreen forest and deciduous forest. Keep in mind and related to them, solve answers. I need your answers also, as I am giving you double understanding, so your work should be neat and clean, and you have to be double careful that you can get you can get imposition, double imposition, if you will not complete your work on time. So please students, complete your work on time. Goodbye.